What up? Malnick, what's good, brother? All right, give me a sec, guys. All right, here we go. Here we go, kid. Malnick, personals not today. I don't have time for that, dude. We have what, 9 more single box breaks we gotta go through. We're on 64 right now. 64 is up. All right, guys. 64. Here we go. 64. 64. Four times on the randomizer, guys. 4 times. 64. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Iverson Vance hit it. Vance Valdez. Steve's trying to buy it off him. Steve wants it. Shit's nasty. Alright, there's the names. Let's do the teams. Steve with the version thing there. Nice. Yeah, Mickey, everything should be on the site. Anything available, go into basketball breaks. Group breaks. It should be under there. 4 times, guys. 1, 2, 3. This is 64, guys. 64, 4 times. There we go. Golden State. Down to the T-Wolves. Mickey, what ones you buying? All right, guys, here's the names for 64. 64 is running right now. James with the Warriors, John with the Blazers, Chad with the Kings, His Highness with the Knicks, Quentin with the Pacers, Jeff with the Clippers, Cam's Goods with the Thunder, Quentin with the Grizz, His Highness Nuggets, Nate Celtics, Dylan with the Nets, Cam Rockets, Quentin Hawks, Electric Sixes, Common Suns, John with the Spurs, Jelly with the Jazz, Dom with the Lakers, Falco with the Hornets, Marco Pistons, Derek Magic, Hodge Bucks, Quinn-ick, spelled it wrong, Quinn-ick, Quentin Cavs, Quentin Mavs, Quentin Bulls, Franco with the Raptors, Electric with the Pels, ooh, there you go, Mac Attack with the Heat, Jelly with the Wizards, Electric with the Wolves. All right, guys, there we go. Here we go. This is 64. 64. On the site? Did you? Are you sure it wasn't this one? Yeah, it's this one. You're in 65, graded. You're in the next one. 64 is running right now. Yeah, you're in 65. All right, 64. Here we go, guys. And Mickey, you're in that one too. You're in 65. So 64. 64 through 66 is full, I'm pretty sure, guys. Might be like 2 or 3 and 66 left if you want to check the site. But 67 through 72, I think Steve just added. 64, here we go. All right, good luck. Every box has been solid, you know. Only 66 up. Yeah, he said he was going to add the rest. I got 6 more boxes. Unless he wants to use them for personals. I don't know. See what he wants to do. Here we go. 64. 64, guys. 64. All right. Garland. How about that to start us off, guys? Hachimura to 249. That's nice. Rui to 249 die cut. Staying hot, kid. John Wall. Robinson. Staying hot, boys. There's a hit. AJ Barrett. Regular dong. Are they on there, Despoon? Yeah, he said he was going to add them up. Kawhi, Trae Young, Ja Morant. There we go. That was a good pack. So, guys, 6 more boxes were added for breaks. If you want a spot, go ahead and hit the site. Levine. Rui box. Rui to 299. Let's see a little. We got a Rui box, boys. Got a hit here. Let's go. To 199. Sells. Grant Williams for the Celtics. Nate Jones. It's Grant Williams. AD, Bridges, Fernando. Thibault, Kemba, Damian Lillard, Porzingis, Jalen Noel. $20 a random team. Colin Sexton, Dylan Windlow. Ignis Silva, DeAndre Hunter. There you go. LeBron courtside. That's nice. Those courtsides do well. LeBron courtside. Taco Fall. Alright. Jared Culver, Silva, Phenomenon. Alexander Walker. Yeah, it's not a silver or color. Yes, it is, Steve. The LeBron base courtside's $50. That's crazy, dude. What the fuck, man? His stuff's going wild right now. Kobe White, red De'Aaron Fox to $199. Copping Gale. Kevin Love on the T-Wolves. Black booty shorts. Levine. Grant Williams. Coming down to earth, this box, man. Come on, where's the heat? Let's go. Giannis, JJ, base. Last pack. That box was rough. 64, Kevin Love, Kobe White, Culver Silva. Base, LeBron courtside, DeAndre Silva, Grant Williams, Rui, Ja, Kawhi, AJ, and another Rui. It was good for the Wizards. That was 64, guys. On to 65 in a second. Give me a minute. Yeah, that was a rough box. All right. That's crazy, dude. His stuff is ridiculous. They're breaks, not personals. Breaks. $20 a spot for a random team. They're on the site. 65. Here we go. Four times random in the names and the teams, guys. One, two, three, four times. Bang, four. Mickey on top. Down to graded gold. Brandon, check this site. I think Steve added more single boxes. I think he added a few more. All right, guys. Teams four times also. One. Yeah, 6 full. That's what I thought. Two. Yeah, they're going right. Yeah, all in a row, brother. Four times. There's your team list. Blazers up to the Cavs. Pelly's at number 2. Born Yankee fan, my God. There you go, bro. Here we go. All right, Mickey with the Cavs, Born Yankee fan with the Pels, Quentin with the Suns, Alex with the Nugs, Sims with the Heat, Yankee with the Bulls, Ashley with the Rockets, Nate with the Knicks, Mickey Wizards, Quentin Thunder, Mickey Celtics, Dom Grizz, John Raptors, Quentin Hornets, Mickey Jazz, Cody with the Lakers, Jelly with the Spurs, Quentin with the Bucks, Hodge with the Kings, His Highness with the Hawks, Chief Keith with the Warriors, James with the Nets, Foul Beats Sixes, Jelly with the Mavs, Graded Gold T-Wolves, Dylan with the Clips, His Highness Magic, Derek Pistons, Graded Gold Pacers, and Blazers. Yeah, so Steve at night when he does breaks, G-Loke, not on YouTube with me. When Steve's live, he's on Instagram and YouTube. I'm strictly on Instagram. So I don't have the setup like Steve as of right now. Need a bigger space. But yeah. So strictly on IG. I will upload all breaks I do on IG onto YouTube later that night. So everything will be added to YouTube. That's a break. Personals will not be added to YouTube. Just breaks. So these will all be added to YouTube, guys. This is 65. All right, 65. Give me a sec, boys. Yeah, G-Look, unfortunately, you can't go back. Once I'm done on Instagram, it is saved for 24 hours on Instagram, and you could go in and watch it like that. Like, you could skim through past videos that are saved. They'll be saved for 24 hours. Yeah, you can rewatch it, but you can't rewatch it till I'm done streaming. That's the only negative. So they got to fix that. All right, 65, guys. 65. Good luck. Yeah, they'll be added to YouTube later on. But IG, you could also watch them after. The video is saved for 24 hours on IG. That's how IG streaming works. It stays on for 24 hours or until you take it off. All right, here we go, boys. Come on. Yeah, we're due for a zebra, right? Yeah. It's all good, brother. Pascal. Malcolm Brogdon, base. Online questions, dude. It's all good, brother. Joker, Jamal Murray, Oladipo, courtside silver, Siku. No, we didn't hit his. I haven't hit a zebra. Hachimura to 99, a nice tricolor on the back. Rui's all over this case too. Shit. Tricolor, RJ Barrett. That's nice. Nice hit. JT, Chris Paul. Blue, that's nice. Giannis Antetokounmpo to 299. KPJ. Select? No. No, this is my second case this year. First case, I didn't even get a zebra. This is a bricka. Oh, my Lord. Willie Cauley-Stein for the Wizards. Oh, my Lord. What? No, they're not guaranteed this year. They used to be. Not this year. Wow. Willie Cauley-Stein to 10. Seven of 10. I don't like the way that fits in there. That's crazy, huh? Yeah, with the Kings patch in it. Nice. We're the Warriors. That's a sick hit. Chief Keith. Chief Keith. There you go. I guess. It looks like a Kings jersey. What's that, guys? All right. Andre Drummond, Tremont Waters. Great looking Kyle like that. They put him on it. Buddy Hield. There we go. Zion base. Those are premieres. Concourse. Cody Martin silver. Carson Edwards. Rui, Darius Garland, silver, Kobe White. That's a court side, nice. Ben Simmons. Alright, 4 packs left in 65. Oh, that's nice. Ja Morant phenomenon. That's really nice. And a Romeo, whatever these are called. Bubble, hyper, scope, whatever you want to call it. There we go. John Wall. 3 packs left. Lulu. You got a white. Donovan Mitchell to 149. Those whites are so clean, dude. All right. Naz Reid, Cam Reddish, Kyrie Irving, Bolt. Nice pack. Zach LaVine. Oh, that's nice. Zach LaVine, jersey. Tatum to 65. That's really nice. That's it. 65. Let me get some top loaders. Tatum's nice. All right. Reddish, Tatum, LaVine, Kobe White, Mitchell White, Romeo Scope, Ja Morant phenomenon. Rui, Kobe White, courtside, Zion base. Nice. Cauley Stein at 10. Giannis to 299, RJ Try, and a to 99 Rui Hachimura. All right, 66 on deck. 66 coming up, boys. 67 through 72 on the site, guys. If you want a spot, $20 a random team. 66. Here we go. All right. Here we go. 66. Four times on the random, guys. One, two, three. This is 66. 4. That is 4. Mick, y'all have to check what teams you have, bro. Give me a second. On the last one, you had... Yeah, Mick, you had the Celts and the Wizards. Yep, you had both. Nice. Right. All right. Teams 4 times. Yeah, Mickey, you crushed that box. 4 times on the teams, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final 4. All right, Wizards on top. Down to the Lakers. Guys, 67 through 72 on the site. Go fill them up if you want to keep rolling. There we go. 4 times. Random number of the day. Random number of the day. We pick a random number or we roll the dice, but we're doing a ton of names and teams, so we picked 4 today. Cod Stash with the Wizards. Jared, with the T-Wolves. Hodge with the Nets. Jelly with the Kings. Derek Hornets. Jimmy Cavs. His Highness Jazz. Quentin with the Pacers. Mickey Hawks. Jimmy Rockets. Sims Suns. Jared Magic. His Highness Raptors. Jimmy Spurs. Quentin Blazers. Nate Bucks. James with the Heat. Mickey with the Bulls. Chief Keith with the Pels. Quentin with the Knicks. Codstash with the Pistons. Jelly with the Warriors. Don with the Thunder. 42 Jim with the Grizz. Matthew with the Sixers. Jared Celts. Jimmy, you got the Nuggets and Mavs. Dylan Clippers. And E blank 11-7. 11-11. Jesus. Lakers. This is 66. Here we go. 66. All right. Here we go. 66, boys. Good luck. All right. Jay Davis, first pack of the day, 101 Iverson auto. Zion silver in the second box. This case has been fucking crazy. First pack, number 66. Here we go. Russell Westbrook to 99. Garland courtside. Oh, I gotta get top loaders. Give me a sec. No, I don't know why you fucking keep saying I'm gonna get a tat. I have tats all over my body, but no. The Iverson was 6s. They're all full? Are they? I didn't even check. I haven't even checked, bro. Steve's over there filling it. Haven't even looked. No. Yeah, there's still spots. It's gotta be. Just posted them like 10 minutes ago. Grant Williams, Embiid, Trey, and a Rui. This is 66. 66. Red, Joel Embiid to 199. First hit, Joe Harris. Of course you are, Gordon. Joe Harris, Black Thong. Kevin Durant, Silva, Luka. Yeah, I'll show the AI, yep. Yeah, AI is clean, bro. I'll show it. Gafford. Rui's all over this case, man. Scope Rui. There's the Wizards in this one. Cod Stash with the Wizards in this one. Kristaps Towns. Alright. Bo. Jaren. Jamal Murray. John Lee. Sekou. Red. Embiid box. To 175. Sexton and Naz Reid. Oh, be something nice. This thing's a monster. Come on. Be something nice. Porter. To 25, Rudy Gay. What a nice patch. Rudy Gay. This is 66. 66. Kemba Try. Cam. Brandon, are you in 66? No, you're not in 66. Tremont, there we go. Zion base. Keldon Johnson blue right behind it. All right, guys, go fill them up. The next three are almost full, guys. Next three are close to full. We could keep running, so let's go. To 299, Keldon Johnson, Kobe White, JT. Yellow. Three packs left in 66. Should have an on-card auto here. To 25. Come on. Oh, my Lord. This case is unfucking believable. Unfucking believable. To 25. Let's go. RJ Barrett. Atlanta. Ooh, doggy. What the fuck is going on here? Quentin Carter with the Dubsky right there. That is clean. I did know it earlier. You missed it. You should have been here earlier. Sorry, bub. Eric Pascal. Sorry, little guy. I actually don't think I've hit any Kyle Guy since. Kyle Lowry, Jokic. JB, yeah. Yeah, I got you. LeBron. Pascal Silva, that's nice. And that is... Yeah, no, you weren't... No, you were in here. You were in here, dude. All right, that box is nice. 66, recap. Pascal Silva. RJ to 25 tie-dye auto. That's clean. Kobe White. Keldon Johnson, 299. Zion base. To 25, Rudy Gay. Rui, Scope. Joe Harris, Virgin. Rui, Garland courtside, and a Westbrook to 99. All right. Austin, whatever's available on the site. I have no idea, bro. I have no idea. It's fucking 70 degrees out here. What is going on? Whew. 67 got 5 left. 68 has 6 left. 6, yeah, guys. 67 is next, guys. 67 is on deck. The 3. Did you take them off the site, Stevie? Or are they still on the site? People have to grab them off the site? Just let me know. Alright. Let me see. Alright, they're still on the site. Guys, so as soon as they fill on the site, yeah, I'm leaving them on the site. So go fill them up. Go fill them up on the site. Hodge, 100%, dude. You just nailed it. You just fucking nailed it. Oh, man. 7422. Alright, let me update, guys. Give me a sec. Common 27423. Yeah. I mean, I would. 67. 2 spots. 27424. Yeah, dude, more people die from fucking the flu, so everybody gotta relax. For real. Crazy. We only have them for breaks. Sorry, Severio. 27425. I have no boxes for personals. Common, no. But we didn't get one last case. You were in there. We didn't get a zebra in the last case I did. Remember? Very weird. Yeah. Yeah, Don. Yep. 67, 27426. Austin, yeah, I had a feeling it was. I had a feeling since we didn't hit a zebra, I had a feeling that was the deal. 27427. Yo, what up, Kit? What's good, brother? Oh, mud on. This is Steve. Get off the shitter. I need you, bub. 27427. Keith. Get off the shitter. Thanks, buddy. Go to basketball breaks. Yeah, I think 67, 68, 69 are all full. I'm still catching up. There's just a ton right now. All right, Steve, it's all you, bro. I did what I could. It's a lot of shit going on. 27428. All right, those are the last ones I did, Steve. Go ahead, take over after that one. All right. Oh, all right. Steve's filling them in, guys. Give me a minute. Let him catch up. I'm going to take a tinkle. See you later. All right, here we go. Yep. Yeah, 69's going right now. 69. Mojo box. All right. All right, word. All right. Yeah, 67, 68, and 69 need to rip. 67's up. 67. Why did I say 69? Alright, 67, 68, 69. Someone want to drop select single box breaks 67 through 69. Yep, sounds good, bro. Here we go, 67, 67. Love it, dude. Love it, dude. All right, 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Chief Keith on top. Mickey on bottom. Oh, you got a Holly, dude? You're the man. Fucking geek. Cody, imagine. That shit's dirty. One, 2, 3, and 4. Paces on top, down to the 6s. Paces down to the 6s for 67, guys. 67. Here we go. Vance Valdez hit it. Here we go, 67. Here we go. Chief Keith with the Pacers, Jelly with the Lakers, His Highness Bulls, Quinnen Clippers, Akeem with the Pellies, Cod Stash with the Heat, Hodge with the Hornets, James with the Pistons, Justin with the Hawks, Justin with the Suns, Brandon with the Rockets, His Highness Bucks, Quinnen. Oh, this kid spells shit wrong all the time. With the Thunder, Jared with the Warriors, Fernando Nuggets. Don with the Nets, Dom with the Wizards, Justin Raptors, Quinn and Jazz, Jared Blazers, Jeff Magic, Saki with the Mavs, Collector is 7, 8, 9, 10,000, Knicks and Cavs, Derek Spurs, Jelly Grizz, McNeely with the Celts, Sims with the Kings, Dylan with the Timberwolves, and Mickey with the Sixers. All right, this is 67. Yeah, later. Bang. Game time. Probably do this one and maybe one more until I have to refresh stream. I might have to refresh after this one, to be honest. They're all almost full, guys, so if you want to get in, I believe there's still spots in 70 through 72. Keem, let's get it, bro. Time for Zion Auto, Gold Auto. What do you say, huh? Andrew Wiggins to 249, Baisley and Taco. eBlank11. Everything will be uploaded to YouTube later on. Oh, my Lord. Oh, shit.
Guys, when Steve wasn't around, I took care of all the sheets and I updated him for Debo. He was really happy with me. He called me, said, thanks a lot, man. I couldn't do it without you. I really appreciate it, man. I mean, it really helped out a lot. But, yeah, I love Debo, and I'm so happy he loves me back now. Bye, Debo.
Lucas Harmonic Scope. Let's go. We're doing the Demption right now because I don't give a fuck. And we're using the Barry Sanders that Steve sent me for no fucking reason. No reason. Steve sent me this. The GOAT Barry. Let's go, Barry. Bring us fucking mojo, kid. Did he? I love him. I love him. Bye. That's not a real redemption. There's no fucking way Juwan Howard is a fucking redemption in this. Dude. Bye. Oh my God. Why? What team? He played for fucking 700 teams in the NBA. Someone look up the checklist. Steve, look it up. No idea. He's on fucking 10,000 teams. I know who Juwan Howard is, but why the fuck is he a redemption? Please just fucking give me an answer. Give me a logical answer. Played for every single team in the league. Red Joker, 10 of 199. That is so nuts. I did top load it. Fucking love it. Oh my Lord. That's crazy. Oh my Lord. Dude. Oh my. Justin. This is the best case I've ever fucking seen. The best case I've ever fucking seen. And I feel like I say that every day. So that means every day I'm pulling fucking heat. And a reddish silver. Dude, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God. Dude, I just don't know. I don't know. Jeff, is it the Wizards? All right. I'll throw it out the window after I mag this up. Dude, what? Justin. God bless, dude. Good for you. See you later. You're welcome, buddy. No tips required. Fucking love it. No tips required. If I don't get tagged in a fucking screenshot from this in the Iverson 101 today, I should have 700 fucking notifications when I go to my account. Just saying. All right? So, they all have. Having a fucking stroke. I can't even hold it still. I don't know what's wrong with me, dude. I've been like that lately. This fucking keto diet's got me all fucked up. Seeing tarantulas, fucking. I said there was a spider on the wall earlier. It was a piece of dust. No, it was a spider. It was definitely a spider. I don't fuck with spiders. Hey, later. Whoo! Woo! Oh, Maran. Cam, what's up, buddy? You want a top loader? All right, man. All right, man. No problem, man. There you go, man. What a fucking Hawks pack, huh? Jesus, dude. What is going on? Today has been out of control, dude. Whoo! Here we go. All right, Paul George, what's up? Bye. Out of control. My landlord's gonna kick me out, dude. It's Brandon Clark, Rudy Gobert, Lonzo. He's gonna knock on my fucking door. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you, kid? Get the fuck out of here. Go somewhere else. I'll go rip on the street. Paul George, red to 175. Same shit every day. Same shit. Same old shit. Pulling heat like always. What can I say? Oh, bye. Thaddeus Young. Jesus Christ. That's fucking disgusting. Talahero. Alright. Yeah, wait. I think we're waiting on one more hit, right? I thought the trade was a zebra, to be honest. When it was backwards. Bradley Beal to 149. Oh, excuse me. I want to see a fucking shield. I don't know. Something like that. Why are you in every pack, buddy? To 49. The 30-year-old virgin, Joe Harris. Bull Silva. Yeah. Yeah, some boxes are 2 autos and some are 2 relics. Talahero try, that's nice. Last pack. Alright. Let's come back down to earth, huh? How about a Gafford Silva? We'll take that. Say all that. Recap, and then I got a refresh stream, boys. 68-69 on deck. All right. Talahero, try, Gafford, Colton's boy, Silva, Bobo, 30-year-old virgin. I have a lint roller. Cam Reddish, Silva, Samanich. Trae Young, number to 5, the second best hit from this box, from this case, to be honest. 3 of 5, second best hit of this box. Number 1 hit of the case, number 1 hit of this box, guys. Juwan fucking Howard, redemption. Bye. Oh my God. What? You shitting me? God bless, dude. What team is that? I don't know. I'll look it up later. I don't care. Oh my God. Justin, have yourself a fucking break, kid. Have yourself a break, brother. Congrats, bro. That shit was crazy. Let's fucking get the schmeg out of here. I have 40 seconds, so let's clean up the schmeg. Dude, in 7th grade when I learned about schmeg, me and my buddy just couldn't stop laughing when, like, we were such immature kids. I'm still immature, but it's fucking hilarious. Schmeg. It's just a funny fucking word. Oh, man. I'm fucked up. It's alright, bro. Dave, you're in here. I love it. Schmeg. Miss Pirelli. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes. 68 through 72. Go get your spot. See you later.